ya mama jo e mama kwaba e de Ghana Got Talent dwumedie so e wo Kumewu TV ene eye na woche a etoso enkron e wo dwumedie yi mo Ghana Got Talent or say your talent will be discovered na wonu ma so yasene e wo dwumedie yi mo eye Champion Training Institute so biogas biodigester CCTV installation and car tracking dia ene bra wonu makache e wo adehye market omo office ba ko enso e wo patase ubenya wo mo e wo homabofo yi so 0244 568 912 0244 568 912 wo Fred Champion Training Institute ubenya wo nom no mabaye sajmede amao afi so na Kiuski Massage and Wellness Center na Kiuski se wo hen na ya wo ya wo chepe wo sisi wo chibra mo brania found to honey massage o broni beka physiotherapy ya de wo to honey massage ama ho esese wo ho so afi omo e wo patase depo Juniors Road wo fi wonum so a na wo Ambassadors Church eso wo be friend na Kiuski 0242 932 000 0242 932 000 afi New Eden Herbal Clinic New Eden say yare ben na how high blood pressure low blood pressure hypertension stroke and acho bra wonu makache no mo fa enhaban ma ensa oyare omo patase depo omo so number 0245 350 641 0245 350 641 we for New Eden Herbal Clinic omo beto so na fe omo show no master oyare Ghana Got Talent your talent will be discovered and enwumre eye Boga High Life and a contestant no eye na enwumre no maboabo omo ho said the Jumedian Esiko emoye den pa na wochi eche mo bi ko fie ene nso na ya na ye ebi nso be ko fie nti time chuku na ji agya na hye Kumewu TV ya ye die mo ye twa ye ho aba na ye ba ye de aka na beto amo so at the Kumewu TV so make you say Ghana Got Talent dwumedie and a wo hye no enwumre wonu ebe so oni Kumewu da catch on the on fan phone no onko YouTube Samdakus TV SAMDACKUS now the TV no ato aso sa YouTube ubenya yen uko Facebook Kumewu TV ubetumi afole ho no ahwe videos no live afei so Ghana Got Talent social media handles nyina ye pages so follow ubenya dwumedie live ho Kumewu TV o si aye die mo ena se wabre bibi sha so adwenjen ade na ha o de fa TV no to Kumewu TV ya ye die mo be ma ne mapa pe we release tension na wo ho ato ye to adwumedie no eso a na ye first contestant Central Region and o free and then you may or yes CK man nyuma what to say Ajoa Yankee ni din ene Kwame P2 you hear Kwame P2 profile
Got Talent. Ebokumo, Odebokumate. Ebokumo, Odebokumate. Hello Ghana for it's your boy Kwame P2 here. But you watch me live. Kumewu TV. Ghana Got Talent 2020. Me patro Tamason. Open me course so competition ni mo anko. For phone e call Google Play Store. Download the Ghana Got Talent 2020 and that is the one app no. Me patro BM nebo Kwame P2. Patro spelling in here KUAM. I know the P2 now so. Me patro go to mommy. Share me this Saturday every Saturday be Kumewu TV. Me patro me dem asia ko enhiram B man ka me ba. Got Talent. Yeah, man can me gwa, friend me gwa me beat too. Hey. Adua Yankee, Adua Yankee, Adua Yankee, Adua Yankee, Fueni to Yami anymore. Adua Yankee, Fueni to Yami anymore. We are saying, we don't want to pass over doing more for anything I could so. Hey, Adua Yankee, Adua Yankee, Adua Yankee, Adua Yankee. Adua Yankee, Fueni to Yami anymore. Adua Yankee, Fueni to Yami anymore. Adua Yankee, Yankee, Adua Yankee, Yankee, you hanky, hanky, a friend to the partners and the partners and you obedu Yambo, Mukamu Bay, now you feel one day, or better was said that, and you didn't know to the fjord, if you said that to the ball player for a new to a young swat to 20 more, so Christo, Makame ba me ye panty rapper fe na maba omo me beat na feed the bass out me yanka myself bo beat no that of fefe Adua Yankee Adua Yankee Adua Yankee Adua Yankee Adua Yankee fuenyi tu yami animo Adua Yankee fuenyi tu yami animo Adua Yankee Adua Yankee Adua Yankee Adua Yankee Adua Yankee fuenyi tu yami animo Adua Yankee fuenyi tu yami animo Hey tie kase mami ti kase pi Adua Yankee Adua Yankee Adua Yankee Adua Yankee Adua Yankee fuenyi tu yami animo Adua Yankee fuenyi tu yami animo.
Okay, so that was it from Kwame P2. And Penny Forces and Kofa Yenchi. Yan judges and Emino Edi Juma aye. Reverend Dr. Isaac Asumedu, Afe Nana Boatsma Ewaha, and Afe Mustafa Isa Zerba, Alhaj MI, Omonso Ewaha, Meso Midi Jumedi Muchame, Midi any catch Kwame Bafo. Yanku and judges no way, Nienti or more comments.
Yo, Yada Adofo, and yet here for near phone and I say. Kwame P2
Daddy.
Oh yeah dear. I said, "Oh, start here na on neno. Ka o ya say no, but actually ni nyame boa o. Emma we sound so ebegyina mu. Titan bia ya hwe o voice no eye.
Me pa choma.
E ka say u training o voice no for singing. Eba raps dia o ya dear. And sa anwum we say no, American nyom dance music. I hope say you show your energy level. Say obey me aye, but learn how to use your vocal to sing. Why? Why are they? Sure.
Okay. Inti sa opese Kwame P2 and twaso djumedi ni mu a fa phone no afi download the Ghana Got Talent application no e Google Play Store and ase Apple Store na afi vote Emma Kwame P2 ye twaso ye next contestant ono so oye Kumerican Kumase heya and free ni din e the Godson oye George da konyoma watu din se Ako Tebrofo yensha Godson profile.
Got Talent.
Oh, yo, nyamia, when you mafata, oh, bring po nyami, on son, you my young, it's here for Ghost and Capital Enemy Day. Oh, share my life, oh, Kumu TV, Ghana Got Talent Season 1. Yes, so we are, say, Overcock, Google Play Store. Now I download Ghana Got Talent app no ebeba uwe picture oko Godson na wa search in na wa vote am hwe me dey enemy me dey bia e wo Kumowu TV Ghana Got Talent Season 1 Nyakubo enshira
Burger High Life. Yeah. Oh. And Burger High Life. Aha. What's what we hear me bia? You may come out. Aha. I want to have a gun and I'm an original. So, oh, so, come on, am I? Hey, you may come out. Aha, Tibuatima, yeah, Nanabuatima. Reverend, also said, oh, after what we have, What ya? Yes, sir. You're going left. You're going right. Oh. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I've got to go forward. I've got to go forward. Oh my God, I've got to go forward. And I don't pay for, I don't for you, I'll put it on fire. And I'm over free. So, oh, 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 you're gonna. I'm para got to go. And I don't pay for, and I'm going to say so to fire. And I'm over free. Oh, oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, I'm a whole son. Hey, you know one wine. So, one order for answering the whole society or other. And so many baby, medical bravo, and sound off for the symmetria. I am one yammy. Oh, it's about an answer. SMS committee, every second to and she come on. Tribune, me too, and I sang a got some mess committee, every second to next year and echo. It's a one shower. Shabby Chana was no bad. I got to go. And I don't pay for. I got to go far. And I know what's your mom say. Oh, yeah, there. And I got to. Oh, am I? Come on. Oh, my, yet to be a say. I'm halfway. Come on, brother high life.
Okay. Am I?
God's son,
Sir,
you've really acknowledged the presence that you are the son of God.
amen.
Why are there? I'm so happy for you.
Yeah,
You know, I was at your audition
yeah.
and I knew how you did and how you've grown. And I'm so happy.
Thank you.
You've really done well.
Thank you.
Really done well.
Thank you.
Okay, so if you want to keep God's son in the competition, you know what to do. Take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, and keep the votes coming. Our next contestant, he is also doing Akotse Brofo by George Dako. His name is Ataje, all the way from the Bunu region. Let's watch Ataje's profile.
Got talent.
Ataje ni o Ghana, Ataje 1, aka Adia Ode, Eshe baby. Ghana for, Abono for, Asante for, all the 4 force in this country. Nsramo, Eyo Kuma Ghana Got Talent 2020. Jumadi ne Beshasiye. Saturday we are by Saturday in Kayinala. Ataje, I am part of the program. Said Jumadi Metima Kama, New Jinaso. Nani Bibi. Bora Google Play Store, not download you. Ghana Got Talent app no. O download you say Kim. But Ataje pe 6 letters. Watch him. I'll appear. Nensro. What go to a man fefe. 2020 Kuma Ghana Got Talent. Ataje. I am going to sport there. Today is Burger High Life. So Ataje, I am going to sport there for everyone. Yeah man. So what? ye madofo no mo me so mo amon frɛ fire service for mami na wo mbedu mi je mami ye fitianra na me fie sha sese ye madofo no mo me so mo amon frɛ fire service for mami na wo mbedu mi je mami over mami tutume ye mami tutume senso bread you and yes best drobe mami tutume ye mami tutume senso bread you and yes mi fie best drobe mami tutume ye mami tutume senso bread you and yes mi fie best drobe yeah. No, minya japadi bia, minya japadi bia. Me se filen ra me fiesa se no. Me pa japadi bia, a japadi amafa, eno ne pampers yo. Awra osem, yeah, pampers o. Enro da me fiesa se no. Me pa japadi bia, japadi amafa ne pampers. Yeah. Fitianra mi fie sha se no me fa japade bia me se japade ma fa ne pampesi eno ane pampesi yo mami tutume sa se fami yo me fa do mi dai anya sa mi fie be se joru mami tutume mami tutume senso bremio enye sa mi fi e be se drube mi tutume senso bremio enye sa mi fi e be se drube
Okay, that was Ataja's performance. Nana Botsma.
Mama,
good performance.
thank you.
No. Time be a na o try say comic no. E dey alenke dey no. That's very good. But now can me prefer say nka over dress as a comedian. So now nka wo dey so nyom no. Ke no so be ma ya hunu dey wo ye. Sort ya say. Okay, all the thanks.
Okay, so if you want to keep Ataje in the competition, kindly take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application from the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, and then keep the votes coming. Our next performer, she is a poet, and tonight she is giving us a brief on Bugger Her Life. Her name is Adshine. Adshine, let's watch her profile.
Got talent.
Personal if you are the master. Let me see a kind of a fee. I would idea to against it. Ghana Got Talent 2020. I was so person who keep him more competition way more. Who call Google Play Store. Now who download the Ghana Got Talent app. Now patch your move to my Muslim. Need to me here for to Liberty Industry. Okay. Need dancing in our own one. Ni Pentecost are sorry. Thomas Nako Temple. Pentecost are sorry. Bia. A promotion is Saturday. When Saturday. Bia. I will come out TV. Ghana Got Talent. Madam
Got talent. Adua Yankee, for any to Yankee, Adua Yankee, for any to Yankee.
My children, can you imagine how life was when our life was the highest bagged and sagged? Ha! When I wear my dancing shoes to dance. You can even ask Akosia Japan. Gone on our days when we listen to passionate music like this. There is this adage which says, who fights today gets chance to fight tomorrow. But High Life was much better, even when its composers flee. Indeed, they fought together. They fought together by the transition of High Life to Boga High Life. The likes of Lee Todu, Ahomatia, Pat Thomas, Sikanya Mocha, and Luma Brothers. Music so sweet, funny, words of wisdom, loud. In heaven, there is no beer. That is why we'll be drinking all the beer. If the champions of High Life drank all the beer, do you think, I repeat, do you think there will be some left for Kiddy? And not forgetting Kwame Eugene, who just won the 2020 VGMA Awards. Who them say High Life no day? Mumbeshe. Who them say High Life no day? Oh, Mumbeshe. Who them say High Life no day? Mumbeshe. High Life is never dead. Peace.
Okay, a wonderful one from Atshine. Am I?
Atshine.
Yes, uncle.
Yes. Your costuming, I don't know whether your father once played for King Faisal. Yes. I like your presentation. The history, it was brief, short. At least we understood what you are saying. But next time, I don't know who writes for you. You should be mindful of the construction, the grammar, and then the diction. Okay?
Okay.
Some of them in Cheyekakra. But the message was good. But the composition had a bit of challenge. Okay?
Okay.
All the best.
Okay. So if you want to keep Atshine in the competition, you know what to do. Take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application, and then keep voting for her. Our next performer, he is doing Pat Thomas's Sikaya Moja. His name is Minister Treasure. Let's watch his profile.
Ebenezer, get ready to my baby. Minister Treasure. Maba, Ghana Got Talent Season 1. Mr. Mo, give me here a vote. Kumasi mine, Buedi, Emena, and an important take. Call Google Play Store, a walk phone also. Download the app on Ghana Got Talent app. Neshe Minister Treasure. Ne vote mami. Now vote here, Miss Me New Rambo. Dear Erade, dear Domino, me put am a webu. Yame on shout, set ube vote ya mami. Me mean that way, and me mean that be a shame you Kumawood, Ghana Got Talent. Yango point shout.
Amene oba betin komobi Sika oye bazia Obi beka se sika oye aboa Nanso me wa hase metreo azia sika oye Eye sanity Hey mami nkenchewote Sika nya boa dama wachana Sika yenyi pampara Sika ya mocha Sika ya mocha Sika ya mocha Sika ya mocha Say mami kentrode Sika nya boa dama wachana Sika yenyi pampara Sika ya mocha 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 Sika oye moja para Sika ya mocha Sika ya mocha Sika oye moja mba And you want to me ditimpo And you want to me nyadiai And you want ne yarimpo Dema sika ya mocha And you want nidi And you want to me nyadiai Dema mojamba sika ma hope sika manibwe sika mebibia dem mani pata sani prana boa eya na moto monta sekra ibu sika ya say mami kanchira woda sika nya boa dem mawaka sika yenyi pampara sika yemoja sika yemoja sika yemoja solo aza wini bia na wankasa ho yare makwa to ababa wabia sika woni yentie no abra ne yakọ party na wo sedem adan ya wo se wo ye party no oboa enya party jet eni ho amara me mami atuatene onu no kan na sembide sika ye moja Sikai, where you mojamba, and you went to me zizimpo, and you went to me nyaria, and you want a yare, them masika ye moja. Oh, sika many bwe, sika ma wofe, sika ye bibia, them manipata sani prena boa, ayana muntu munta sekra. Eji sika ya. Chura woda sika nya bulada mawaka sika yenyi pampara sika ye moja au eni sika ya mobwa
Mota nyen demo wa easy.
Thank you.
Judges,
Okay.
Reverend
Minister Treasurer.
Yes, sir.
In fact, you have a voice. Why are dear pa?
It has.
You are costume will be at why are dear. Now, my problem I'm over why I can better answer. Now, I'm here because and now the buyer better answer. Oh yeah, bo no. Now, and my main take near oh yeah, say. But apart from that, you know, you are good.
Thank you.
A band, vocal, everything. You are very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. No nature de. Epede Minister Treasure otu adu ojumedi ni ma na afa phone no na download the Ghana Got Talent application on Google Play Store or ne Apple Store. E download there e be hunde Minister Treasure our contestant num na avote man no wetumi atu adu ojumedi num na ye tua there na he next contestant no Olia Omar Rex Omar na nyoma wa to din there Abiba ni tinye Paul G yenhwe Paul G ne profile.
Got talent. We am boy G. No, I'm in the building. The next rap kina or Ghana. Mr. O said the opposite with you for G rap no. If you says you, Mr. Mo, we Ghana Got Talent. You made you know Anasha, you know. If Mr. competition no make a match, you vote and the mama came. Until the way I say, we call a Google Play Store. Now I put down the Ghana Got Talent app. Now I show you in a Paul G. Now I vote your man. Me that's. Got talent. We am boy G. No, I'm in the building.
So what one and in Yan Turo, and the Wabawa come and Malam Pine, Buhunu Fat, nobody Mash was Santain. One more what I need to Musan 10 times, Yajan, and I would be beginning to Pine. With the better me with a high jump fanboy, make it over with a bike pump. When you don't with the Yamena, may ya stop to meet on the cow and go the Mutis iPhone. I be by I don't go to Yamito. I be by I don't go to Yamito. I be by I don't go to Yamito. I be by me show Subano when ya ayana me buwafu emo musi de muwa kono me hu ana me koma koda ye foda se benku tumi de dem ho ti set ma moto gwe ohu wini de yakoye ti se puma fein ana bi you I will never let you go away no so do be ti me foda never jisu be de ye kumi ye ne kondo ye ti temu funya asa cheda foga ba this is sa homa e jina so huya we ye go be mu go ba why na wo pe no akeke mu menya enti aya na me koma danka huna na ma charge me bubo mu iya inti no mo se me pemma when I go to Yamido Abiba what don't go to Yamido Abiba what don't go to Yamido Abiba what don't go to Yamido if you do at the talk show me grindings KMA for my license me person me take it over for the other fans let me your opportunities in the Andes so me we use the men come without keys cross no lose you can never meet your face they come with them and me show the bonnet and me even when I go without feet we don't get another me damn we must see a put that it's a gum ni me chinya ya me ya sembe ko sam ti baby ya me ko bija ko fa me send to tam Abiba what don't go tie ya mi do Abiba what don't go tie ya mi do Abiba what don't go tie ya mi do.
Okay, that was it from Paul G. Am I?
Yes, Paul G.
Yeah.
I didn't get you right. Abiba what then am there?
I don't go to.
But are you sure you said Wadun Kuto?
Yeah.
I was hearing Wadun Kuti. Yeah, me there. You know, no, your singing is not good at all. Your timing was very bad. Usi, a chikra. Bibi also rim on a chimu and san our rim. The only place you did well, Bibi out there rap and she but Bibi also tunyumbia. A drew be an muna. Ye huni. Okay, but in present day musician, you as a rapper you should sing. To see as I called the opera sing. Kusiata was sing. Ye boy ya uko amasi if anything cry. Strong man or sing it. Now they are all singing. Because if you don't sing, you be kweja. To learn that art too very well. It's not only about the rap. They say I best singing you be who say they na branty. Abiba te ha nko the ball.
Okay, maybe sir. Band guys. Ayana obinu ha mo bribe ana. Obi send the key pe na mo pese mo boa no. Here on no fire ne de na mo bo na fi ada na mo pese mo chip in on ne de no. Mo no ai. Madam Asenwa na me bisa mo.
Okay, you better champion band and so I say, oh, you my power, no airbo. Open support in so so medianima for phone and I download the Ghana Got Talent application no Google Play Store and I say Apple Store. Now vote Emma Paul G. Your next performer a Central Region and free and yeah a man's banyoma what to say auto lege nidi any dance like a bob yeah dance like a bob yeah the profile.
Hello Ghanaians, I hope I That's like a Bobia. Ghana Got Talent 2020 season 1. Kupadi Bijim. Sebele Esham this Saturday. Every Saturday they will come out TV. Unless you vote. Kupadi vote. Every voter. Google Play Store. Not download. Ghana Got Talent application app. Boom your pictures in install. Boom your pictures in just vote for Dance Like One. You should move from my talk. My chassis. Vote. Madawasi.
What's the deal, Sokoto? Open up the Farina. Bro, Roll it. Muniano Wintema. Muniano Wintema. Wintema, some American song da, what to move, so I da, was so move, da da. Muniano Wintema. Muniano Wintema, some American song da, what to move, so I da, was so move. Roll it. Abadi na yale yada yentu mi yade pa. Abadi na yale kasama yentu mi kasampa. Abadi na yale tasama yentu mi tasampa. Nyanse yuto chimansa na insato. Ye yindi yada ni buku tichi. Ebo tana ma ye wa fo. Ya kade o chebe siedan. Chebe siedan. Abba. Masa marike sonya da wosumu sonya da wosumu da da ule bulukutu nawe monu bulukutu nawe abazi na yale yada yentumi yade pa abazi na yale kasamba yentumi kasamba abazi tuna ye tasamba yentu tasamba yansi tochi mansa na insato yente ya de lugu tete boju na kana ma yen wa fo ya kade oche besi edan oche besi edan oche besi edan.
Okay, that was it from Dance Like a Bobia. Reverend.
Dance like a bobia.
Boss man.
But you are a dancer. And then you're a day. And I was about to do me. Okay. Am I? Where's some judgment to him? Boami.
Yes, dance like a bobia.
You boss man.
Today you sang like a bobia. And you know, it's good. You have to be versatile. And you did well. When he started singing music, Charlie, the guy got voice. And I did be or crack but the voice never cracked, and I love it. By more practice, I believe you do well. It's good to venture into where it's very difficult. And I like your costume, Mamanziba. But next time, move around, Kakra. Okay? Now, stick in me nim say, Ubia catch them without the bar, Unya Lako. Ubia bar of the bar. Okay, all the best.
Okay, so you want to keep.
The American say, am I the amount? I mentioned the amount because I'm a day between me, man.
Okay, Nacha say if you want to keep Dance Like a Bobia in the competition, take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application from the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, and then keep the votes coming. Our next performer, all the way from Accra, she's doing Daddy Lumbas and Kwanoma. Her name is Zara. Let's watch Zara's profile.
Got talent. Let's get set, ready, go. You take my heart, make it carry, go. Tell them, girl, let me galley, yo. Oh, yeah. I want to feel it to my belly, yo. This be it's your girl Zara Santua Osu. You can call me Zara. I'm in a competition running Ghana Got Talent. Before you vote, you have to download the app and Google Play Store. Ghana Got Talent. Please vote for me. Thank you.
Okay, so that was it from Zara. Reverend
Zara, you did well.
Thank you.
Why? Your voice was good, your energy level was high. I feel so when say what's that lumba sanapa. I say what ye. I mean sure keep it up, okay?
Thank you very much.
Say oh just say free one. This year I say oh yeah do 10. Into your home. Thank
you
very
much.
well.
Okay, so Pastor Zara and to us watch media anymore. Unim near was so ye or phone no file download the Ghana Got Talent application no na fewa voti ama Zara no at us watch media anymore. Yeah, next contestant on also go for no free. And or yeah AB Crents on your ma. What's the insama main Jamie ho? Nidin any or hema yensha or hema profile.
Hello, lovely people of Ghana. This is your girl Ohima from Ghana Got Talent. Please vote to keep me in this competition. Ghana Police Service, Ghana Armed Forces, the Apostles Continuation Church International. Please vote to keep me in this competition. Honorable Baby, Madam Hilda Groby. To vote, download the Ghana Got Talent app on Google Play Store. Thank you.
Abe, mami ni mi wo, eno sapoma, sami ya ma bravo ima, ansha mi yare ya mo. If se busia padia, tele busia chiko. If se busia padia, tele busia chiko. Pama, some of my six name, and show me a If you say Busia Padia, send a Busia Chico. If you say Busia Padia, send a Busia Chico. Away, New York away, Germany away, Canada away, Toronto away. Na saying in a trino, oh fienti, my sister Zika bebre, media man and make up for say, was it that mammy? Na said that to me befia. Me baby me de me ti wanto me bias a simple about me patakwa ye mo bi mami sikane so aya no basa eno ti me mami ne me why o mami ne me wo mami ne me wo mami abene mami ne me why Mami si abe, mami name wo, endo sapoma. Sami ama sit name ma, ansha mi area mo. If you say Busia Padia, send a Busia Chico. Say Busia Padia, send a Busia Chico. Say Busia Padia, send a Busia Chico. Say Busia Padia, send a Busia Chico.
Okay, so that was it from Ohima. Am I?
Ahema Kumerika we are another Kumerika they are on you. Yes, you are very good. You know, one thing I love about your singing is that Ubiati Asema Awokan. It's very clear. You don't sound nasal, you are natural, you can hear what you are saying. Now your energy is okay, your dancing is okay, you smile, your costume. I don't get anything. Everything is okay. Well done. Keep it up. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so if you want to keep Ohima in the competition, kindly take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application from the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, and then keep the votes coming. May I will say a Ghana Got Talent Jumedie and our channel. Ewo Kumewood TV, eso Kumewood TV, or say Yanyara Yediemo Ghana Got Talent Jumedie. Eye empenyimfo ye chini Ghana man nyina so ena adoma tade rade ode aduadua ye mu no ene aboa no ide abepiem wa ha ena nwumre omo perform ya won so tifia wo enjoy no nti sa wo hwe no be performance woni je ho a wo be vote ama no no waka dwumedie no emu Ghana Got Talent, or say your talent will be discovered. Our next performer, she's from the Ashanti region and she's doing Lidodus Akwankwa. Her name is Lee. Let's watch her profile.
Got talent.
Me come for jaso. Bantama for. Adam pa me esanso for. Mo amuni abali eni. Me ka Ghana Got Talent. Jumedia ye ba bedie ni. Na sese ya dwumadie no eye vote ne de kɔ animu wate ase enti sɛ wan vote ama me a me ni hwe eye wɔ ade mu enti de me so nyina ne sɛ to Google Play Store na download Ghana Got Talent app no o download wi a hwehwɛ Lee edini ye LIEE Lee na vote dodo bia obe vote bia vote ma me na hunu sɛ wo vote no so na ma maka akansie no wote ase enti no hwɛ na vote ma me na me ntime enko manim ewo Ghana Got Talent dwumadie no hwɛ me menda wei ene me menda bia a ebebe bia ewo Kumawood TV Ghana Got Talent wate ase ma me tu wo ho.
What a one hour sorry I said yeah my watch I say woo akwankwa tia akwankwa binyo ko pepi pia beti enu weche wai obrakwa twese wanko bia say yanko eso me pabe sura bro. You shop ready baby see a copy my yo. Aquano wae kadaba ya badada timisu enyame nkona ade nyame aquano ma abobro kwasua hde ade beye sedo ayo mabrami mo aquano tia eso sikamenya bio aquano ayo mabrami mo aquano aye my premi wubio akwapatia way Papa twist one copia say oh that's what me papa and swap bro no shepherd the baby see up my yo and I go Apano mae ayako kwa sansa mini anuma minkuri kunimo many ayi miambe o many ayi medom nipeni e mina mini o mi de mensa mambo nyamio ayo mabrami mbo akwa aso sikamenya bio akwa ayo mabrami mbo akwa
Okay, Lee, Nana.
Lee, that was fantastic.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, dear pa. Stage performance, the energy level, everything was on point. Keep it up. Why?
Thank you.
Okay.
Lee, Nyabutre. Madam Lee. Zubaya.
Lee.
You see, you are doing well. Vocally, you are good. There's still something. Obaya mihu. Left, right. Say if you are now on the left, you have to add some flair. I need something. I don't know, but I can't find it. So, Fabi B swag B. I still see the church in you. Uturege cry, not church in whom. So, when you move out of the church, let's see you in a different circle. Oh, church in man. Yes, a church as San Juan. But I love the energy, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, into Peseli, into us, so I will Jumedi anymore. Our phone, no download the Ghana Got Talent application, no. Our Google Play Store, any Apple Store. Na fe wa voti amali. Make I will say Jumedi a chago our YouTube, Sam Dakus TV, and our Facebook channel. Kumawood TV and afi Ghana Got Talent social media handles nyina okwa ubenya yen live ho your next contestant Western North and our free ono so oye Pa Thomas nyoma atu din se mama menka bi ne din any dance right yen sha dance right a profile
Got Talent. Fight.
I will always treat you right, so be my ride or die. Hello Ghana, it's your boy, Dam's Right, and I'm part of Kumau TV Ghana Got Talent 2020. What's my mom Niaji? I want you to download the Ghana Got Talent 2020 app on Google Play Store. Go download it here, search Dam's Right. Vote as many times as you can. Tomami, that means stay in the competition. We are bringing you the best, and I promise to bring you the best. Watch me on Kumau TV this and every Saturday. Ghana Got Talent 2020. Le 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 le.
So Baga High Life this evening. Are you ready? Hey, so when you are someone mo wa so muntasa mo wa non so muntumun kasa Daniel. When you are mo wa so muntasa mo when you are muntumun kasa. Hey, men you are kuhui. Masor katia, manor kakai oda sam na ma. Men you are kuhui. Masor katia. Manor kakai oda sam na. Enti mu mami nkebio, mami nkebio. Enti mu mami nkebia. Enti mu mami nkebia. Enti mu mami nkebi. Hey, yes I'm. When you are some water, more so muntasa more one so muntum casa, quite joy. When you are some water, more so muntasa more one so muntum casa. Then you are going. Master Katia, Manu cocaine or dasam nama. Then you are going. Master Katia, Manu cocaine or dasam nam. Enti mu mami nkebio. Enti mu mami nkebia. Enti mu mami nkebia. Enti mu mami nkebia. Hey, come on. Hey, no. Come on. Hey, slow up. Come on. Mo wa so muntasa mo wa non so muntumun kasa dale. Mo wa ni wa mu waza mo wa so muntasa mo wa non so muntumun kasa. Hey, when you are going, man kwatia ando ko kan da samna. Enti mu mami kebio. Enti mu mami kebio. Enti mu mami kebio.
Okay, that's right. Am I?
Yes, dance right.
Yes, sir.
You didn't only dance right, you sang right.
Thank you.
It's amazing to watch you. You know, I look at some of you, then I go like, Charlie, I'm not disappointed. Because all that we taught you, now you are getting to a level. With this, your performance, your singing level, to be frank, you are qualified to sing anywhere.
Thank you.
With a live band, not miming, you did the energy. I'm so happy for you guys. Charlie, all the best. Okay?
All right, dance right to the world.
Dance right. Come.
Okay, that's right.
Right. Share, dear, me pesa me sa kama munyina mo sa tene se. Se ura competition mu. Na wa ofi se wo ya de no adwin yo se mo maka no nya de a. As time goes on mo ko mani mu no. No mo yiro mo. Ti so bi ura competition mu na oya de kakra bi a. Na ohwe o medi na chin so nya de a, you think say oh mafa. Ba ye ko wake up a. Wo mo a ahyase na mo nya de no. Omo kwa na timbeje. Why are they what?
Thank you.
Into your home.
All right.
Okay, no no tadi osole kodo sata se boga high life no tadi no sha se onu ti na nwuma ole tu nyina wa ye dem fantenkete na chede oyem fantefo na ehu ehen na abrofo no ba no besi yen krodo sata se into oba no de dem high life no de ba onu ti no ofre no boga high life no na chede won na wo skanko eskafo nkete no oba ho na cha se ne ya to a kire hon onu ti no wa ye mfante dem no sata se ntende nwumri no yes mi krom na yi tadi osole kodo sata se inte boga high life and yele na nwumri. Your next contestant needing faith power ya acrobats on join jumtini and all by acrobatics ne ya she yen faith power ni profile.
Got talent.
Hello Ghana, the friend John Amapo, who fit but all that Raja said, and then you can Kumahu, Ghana Got Talent. Now, we say we go to Mania, Google Play Store. Now, download Ghana Got Talent app now. Who click Iswa, Johnny Fit, vote on with our sister of Tama. Show me that we are now Medina. John Amakwe, aka Fit, capital F-A-I-T-H, Fit, and that was.
Okay. Faith power.
Faith. Why are dear pal? But adeɛ baako ha me na yɛ sɛ wamu atopa ɛno nko a because mehwɛ wo to ne yie ama kɛno no nko aba yɛde aka mekyɛ wo sika but ɔyɛ adeɛ ɛna ɔmo a mɔkaa hɔ no nso na mehu sɛ yɛ a they have the energy to do the work detro Ghana last scene a moyɛyɛ no that guy no way what's the name
Reverend next time Faith Power beya invite me Reverend so me may the better form no Reverend I the original
Faith say me na mekasa eti eba de fa woni nana na omonyo mo de o ma ready ba me de say me hwe na matimi aka ho asem. You really did well. The other medal no way. Wow. One another for another medal no. One another for me pet. The other medal no way. Because the wow that form no me won say wait nyina gina wo so. Nanso we na other medal no for the last scene no did very well. Because so once the four ne ho ye ama we no eye ne ba una ye physio se ne kasa na ntimi ankeka nsi ani ya nkese de mo ye nyina eye adwuma se oyiro ho ye ne ya edo kɔ akiri Ghana ha no ye nim sa de we am ye so mfaso it people don't talk about acrobat. It is a Jumedi able to say Ghana Got Talent and bar. Because I want to say reality shows na cost ni na kan fa na kabeko. And you know you have a talent. To me say nyame say nyame nam de mu ye sum pagya mu no akiri. O ma brabo. Mo ya de pa.
Okay, inti sa o pese Faith Power and so e wo Jumedi anima. For phone no download the Ghana Got Talent application no na afi vote Emma Faith Power. Your next contestant needing any insura asa and wasa. Yen share insura profile.
Got Talent.
Face mesra essa mecânica só go to man go Play Store no download Ghana Got Talent download take a super issue go to
Adua yanke foni to nyame animo Adua yanke foni to nyame animo Adua yanke Adua yanke Adua yanke Adua yanke Adua yanke foni to nyame animo Adua yanke foni to nyame animo Ejewu enewu nyewu kona wajewu ai Anyewu kona wajewu Anyewu kona wanewu Adioyenki, Adioyenki, phone to Yami anymore. Adioyenki, phone to Yami anymore. Adioyenki, 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 phone to Yami anymore. Adioyenki, phone to Yami anymore. Kuna wajabu, kuna wajabu. Kuna wajabu, kuna wajabu. Kuna wajabu.
Okay, Inshira. Nana Botsama.
Inshira. Why are there for why? Ajayanki asawe.
Edian and I saw so Ajanjan saw so. What dear for TV no fatu kuma with TV. What the toha? Yenny Bemo entertainment papa. Near diaba. Na fe what dear to do any I'm more release stress. I feel so Samdakus TV or YouTube live. Oko YouTube as Samdakus TV. Oba share ho. I feel so your Facebook handle. Kuma with TV. Your page no like here. Na fe what share shows nina ewo. Kumawood TV or Facebook. I Facebook Ghana Got Talent social media handles nyina okwa ubenya yen videos no ho. Ye next contestant so ono so boase eno free or ye George da konyoma oto din se odokala yen she NKB a profile.
Got Talent. I can face tomorrow. Yeah, Ghana for it's your boy NKB. Ghana Got Talent season 1. Oh, Kumewu TV. Ena, Mumu Rosi. The way they assure say, if you keep you competition, you more. Google Play Store, not download the app no NKB. Do me picture ewo. Shall me mean that way. Any women they be ewo Kumewu TV. Ghana Got Talent.
Wa imagine say wako kuru na okoto ade ama wodo na onim ni kala Sami to bibi ma odo ama we say me do iya shonko mami adie me person me show day where you from. I'm a say me do yes from mami onde. Every so bit is son ode wa mama tia se. What you matu na kumemu. O mami chima ye me de love it. Every udawa na me hwere ne niama moa odokala mi uno ene mama rechiche ne niama daba ene kumyo yes akoko matu moponti ore wa banabe ye ko edo ishonya mesa no be ya maye e jade fo be ya mainda oh bisha odokala I've been trying to call what are you calling to say? If I send me a baby maudo, I'm a way who said, we don't hear show come on me on the me person me talk abi ma wodo ama we usa we don't hear show come on me every day obi ti sono ore wa mama ti asese oji ma tun na kumemu mama mi chima ye me de love it se mi ni one u kasa na wa se chamia oba kunu ni serie take it ya na jede ene kumi chiwa eba sanso di ebe hami o ah oh iyo biche odokala oh 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 ah oh iyo biche odokala oh 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 ah oh iyo biche odokala oh 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 you be child of color, to say.
Okay, that was it from NKB, Reverend.
NKB. Oh yeah, dear, why? They make me a catcher one because all the time piano say ubejina stages were you say like you can't say high life and kasa. Oh yeah, dear, our home. But on your auntie, that is good. You can go back to the stage. I can see that you are not feeling well. Sorry.
Okay. NKB into me, you know, on the apple. Aha. Into your church media, no so say NKB, NKB media anymore. For phone. Now, if you download the Ghana Got Talent application, no, or Google Play Store, and I say Apple Store. Now, if you vote, see, Emma NKB. Now, on to so it media anymore. Your next contestant, or your papa young sing, you know what to say, or Kuku Seku. Nidin any easy, Yansha easy profile.
Ghana for easy. Me wo Ghana Got Talent to media me say wo say wo di vote e better mechi. Now be ko Google Play Store. No download the Ghana Got Talent application no e wo ho. No vote di ama me. Saturday bi ya hweme e wo kuma woti. Na me be hira. Yes afa bo ame. Na me ntimi ni nkunim e wo media. Na me hira. Ghana for
Once you power assassin, so what are we doing? Nipa, what do we do when you're not just want somebody? Okuku seko mini, so nipa leja samai, unipe, nawo beyo. Unipa we go, baby. Okuku seko mini, so nipa leja samai, unipe, nawo beyo. Sure, unipa we go, baby. Why we young compared to me, the global blue show, man, ni peti uma Jesus. It is a one surani pa. I don't know when you answer. Surani po. What do you say? Somebody will work for you. See more. But I said cemetery hall. Original hall. Send your prayer to heaven. Sure. Somebody will work for you. See more. But I said cemetery hall. Original hall. Send your prayer to heaven. Senidia, but no Simo, Barry, I see who are going to see Chankwana over. So the Palaja Samai, the Pavi, baby. The Senidia, but no Simo, now what if you see who are going to see Apuana over, Maxiana or so the Palaja Samai, the Pavi, baby. The Pavi, so hot, Fausika to Honda. We want to Honda show. Fausika to Honda. Honda be who? Sasama me babefa. Honda be who? Sasama me babefa. Honda be say nipa da saline. Honda be say nipa da saline. Ono no be kwa befa. Ay. You watch the back.
Okay, so that was it from Izzy. Nipa da sanyi nyeo.
Nipa nyeo.
Nipa da dama ezo reshe nipa mu a. Mo be yo no. Am I?
Yes, Izzy. Yes, your performance, you know, we've heard you, we've known Izzy. So when you are coming, we always expect something better. And today you did well. This is not the best of your performances though, but it was okay. At least on this level, it was good. Okay.
Okay, into so percent easy and trust so Jumedian man for phone no. Download the Ghana Got Talent application no or Google Play Store and I say Apple Store na fe vote Emma easy now on trust so Jumedian no emo. Your next contestant Ashanti region no free or your Kumerican, not just a Kumerika. I no free. Nidi any Tom Desty or ya pono nyoma. The title 1997. Yen share Tom Desty profile.
Got talent. I know I'm free baby. No matter if you won't be down to one. I'm also for a case. Ghana Rabimu Sami to Bentua. Mediana Tom Desty, the mastermind. Somebody I say Ghana Got Talent. You made the name I shall see. Some person begin a much and I'm doing some of the same as free Munsua. For more than Google Play Store, download the Ghana Got Talent app. We are no more Tom Desty. Somebody I say, I'm not going to I'm a moon set with the share the minimum Damota. They mean that way, and they mean that we are no washing. Go see the Ghana Got Talent here at Mastermind.
Dr. Ray begin the timing. After many sika busone, a chiremenya sika piem what? A chiremenya sika piem. The Atitiamana Pempam no, a chiremenya sika piem what? A chiremenya sika piem. Why let's see sika any of you? Sika muku a wodopa. Mami akusia sewa uzubenya sika piem wate asema me wakane se unya sika to buasio nebu opanyi na wonkwa na aware wasasi so bajo kwami edu enju uzubenya sika piem wate kumase kwami despite ya uzubenya sika piem dene ho na makome benza ena nkamusi illuminati o so wasi wajamia sika bentine wabawami yo na semenya sika busone achiremenya sika biem wate achiremenya sika biem na ni atitema na pimpam no achiremenya sika biem wate achiremenya sika biem ni musheye Ghana kwem na wu krankrofo wa hwe ya wakokum nipa eba na yo ya ba na yato ke woti abontini tini na woni arewo biem e ma do so papa shege me bo ma be papa na se menya sika brusunne achire menya sika biem wate achire menya sika biem na ni atitema na pimpam no achire menya sika biem wate achire menya sika biem na se menya sika brusunne achire menya sika biem wate achire menya sika biem aye sika ni afi sika mugu ahodo pa mami akosia sewa unsu benya sika biem wate asama me wakane se when you see out to boss you. The poor penny in a womp and I worry was a season. Kumasi kwa me despite ya wonsu wenye sikapiem gene wa Asante ebu akwanyene wonsu benye sikapiem Banji ano wonsu benye sikapiem Re wonsu benye sikapiem Osafo kum chacha wonsu benye sikapiem Bandi ano wonsu benye sikapiem Kumasi kwa me despite ya wonsu wenye sikapiem gene wa Kama Tommy Benz, and I come see Illuminati. So what's your jamia? Sikana benti kwa bewamio.
Okay, Tom Dusty, Reverend
Tom, and you're one boy.
Bajo, Punubium, Yapunu.
Maya,
Yapunu.
Yapunu.
Bajo,
on the boss, I know.
Bajo.
Onim, why are you? My problem, you know, I won't hear about Cope. Oh, to Joma, to that. O call off note. On say, o Casano, and I say, voice now, or they to Jomano. A honmana, wako off, no asaba, no ako, no aba. Inti, and no any problem, make us say, oh. But apart from that, the time and the oya there. Not just say to me, oh, you're good in timing, but off notes now. I don't want to Mr. Working on a mommy. But it's shame why are there.
Okay, Tom Dusty. Come again, nigga. What a guan. So I say, where you rep?
Oh, Indianapolis, Indiana City.
Allah, not just say Indianapolis, not as a town or so no. Okay, into Kumerica, baby, program you can say. Kumerica near your way. Into Kumerica, Hana on Chicago, Anna, Myra. Myra, ah, bra, who chrome, do I can't Las Vegas no chrome. Not just when him vibe, no dear cost on Sadia say. Into just say Las Vegas near Chia, not as I want you at Singer Junction, so I say. Into Indianapolis, needing a better repino. That is it's also near next contestant, no. Accra no free. Needing any AD boy. Or yeah, Obibini Tatino, what to say a custom bon canea. Yansha AD boy profile.
Got talent. Yeah. It's AD boy. It's here for way Munia AD boy. Moba AD boy. I'll beat me a friend with Douglas Amanfo. Pamucho where Kumewood Ghana Got Talent season 1. The person who make a competition. It's me say also person who vote mamia. Download the Ghana Got Talent app no. Google Play Store. Now what's searching for me? Douglas Amanfo AD boy. Now wait me a vote on me. Shall me remember that way? Any memory that yeah. Kumewood TV Ghana Got Talent season 1. Madam.
What can you? Am I? One more question. What can you? Reverend, I was where? Where you go for? Where you go? Sir.
Someone can hear, although you want to be, although you want to someone can hear, although you want to be serious. And I do obia just na koso mo kania. Sa. And what ma? One wa koso mo kania. Akoso mo kania. Akoso mo kania. Although you want to be, although you want to be, akoso mo kania. Although you want to be. more cania. Me la for wafu, akoso more cania. No do you want I'm in the bed. Aba, yeah. Sa. Sanya akoso more cania. Abiasa na break. Akoso more cania. Adeba sama grosso. Akoso more cania. Me la for wafu, akoso more cania. Although you want I'm in the bed. And you may want on in here. One on in here. Abba. Serious me, and you'll be in your doctor. It's all the power base. One anyone customer can. When you make it from one, when you go so from one anyone let you try for. My customer can. Nana, my joy is my customer can. Another one, I'm in the bed. Abba, give me a sign.
Okay, that was it from AD Boy. Am I?
AD Boy.
Am I?
Charlie, you do all.
Thank you.
Your performance, you know, it was lively. We were all enjoying it. Not the fact that you asked me who's my Akoso Mokania, but anyone listening or watching you enjoyed it and felt the song. Why are they last week compared to this week? Oh, go with him. Oh, fro. Why?
Thank you.
Good.
Yes.
Okay, so that was it from AD Boy. Make I was as open say AD Boy encourage me anymore. For phone now, download the Ghana Got Talent application no. Ewo Google Play Store and I say Apple Store. Now vote Emma AD Boy. Now on to us so Jumedi anymore. Make I was say one more so ya sene o Jumedi anymore. Champion Training Institute. Champion Training Institute. Na Kiuski Massage and Wellness Center. And I say New Eden Herbal Clinic. One no maso ya sene o Jumedi anymore. Ye chaya huamba na ye ba ene. Ye be huni ye woko fie. Ene ni ye waka Jumedi no emo. Aba Edba Kumawu TV Ghana Got Talent Jumedie eso na ena nwumre no contestants no eye Burger High Life ena wo nom eye na Jumedie no ekwawie ye no agro ni nyina ye de kogu ye no yen judges ayi wo no mu ba ko a and then you re ne performance ne nyum ne bibia was on point na say best performer for tonight and e koma Lee say Lee e wa ha on join me e was stage so Lee and Boga High Life no dey call next level so I say na there Lee congratulations so much na say we no
Thank you.
Ghana Got Talent song kwana benya no kuma with TV baby any ho aha nko na niema pa ewo na wonum a ene wonum kofie no me ba odin a na wadaroma wa frustro ha na wa beka me ho ewa ha uti odin a bomodin asa obe free stage so amame wadaroma yemre ni nti baby a obi afo aso fam me na nya fe na me ba odin a me a twen wo dance right ewa ha on frustroha that's right Inshira I say faith power and a Paul G sa and call 490 omon join me e stage so Inshira waba that's right say here so akontomra say hini abrantie no. That's right. Paul G. Aha. That's right. It's about faith power and the Paul G and so. Yeah, chimo. Yemren into Madaroma. Monya ne so am I faith power. Okay. Na man for microphone number. Microphone no way. Aha. Inti yenyanum way mo. Ena ebi kofi. Ebi free and tama kofi. Inti 4 no. Ye shedye obe kofi. Ene ye jai ama. Ye judges no. Na ene reverend waha nana boatma waha ena MI enso waha inti empanyefo momfa yankwa ehemfo na mo save wo no mama maka dwumadie no emo MI
Reverend Mikolo Patrick akrenti shase mama.
Okay, Reverend shase.
Okay. Dear empanyefo de two many more ya hwe ye no ni. Pennyfor say yemfa upvote na yemfa performance na yenhwe coupon no so mode band vote nti ye kabo mu a na ya hwe percentages no na ye de ama won nti pennyfor ye say nipa ewo ha hye ya gina stage ni so no me Reverend Dr. Isaac Asumadu me wo kwan say me gini pa ba ko penkwa say me otumi say meji ni pani nyina nkwa de a nka meje
yeah
but pani for to me asha me nsem de me pe na asem ena metimi age ne nkwa for now ena ye ba ko pe etimi de ama faith power.
Okay, it's the faith power etwa akwantuo no eso Insura akwaje me microphone number ya so Insure yeah little girl ye kofi anase ye to aso
Lempa.
Eh nevem no osro fama bra yi mame Paul G.
Yeah.
Aha, the next rap king. Ye kofi ana.
Oh, the BCI, ye kofi.
Not to say nyame asem. Ye dia me nyame. Asem we na me can not say may God be with you. Baby, I doing it there. That's right. Say here also. Akontomra.
And that's right to the world.
Ampa. Inti ye ko ana.
The judges never can the womb.
The judges never can the womb. Hey, I can't even more so champion for you. Am I?
Yes, they are all very good.
Okay.
But unfortunately, or say Ubiko Fie. Now, me hear said you slave running here. Mama, now I'm sorry Sunday. I heard be one were running Sunday in Shira, you say, sorry late. Or China, sorry tem to my saving Shira.
Okay, Insura is saved. Koi, oh Samba. Okay, see. And Yanumi ena aka. That's right.
Yeah.
Say.
Oh, Bibia cool.
Bibia boko. And then come to say and come no kind. Near do the annoyance. Aka judges never couple. Or no one as is so busy. Poji. Also want to say.
Bibia boko.
Bibia boko. And I say Yamiasem. Okay, and Nana Watsma. Save you back na. Hey, in my head.
Medical save MC first.
Hey, you're saving me. Hey, and my mention me when eviction and coming.
Ooh. Okay. Maybe dance right.
Okay, so dance right is saved. This is the end of the road for Paul G. Paul G.
Yeah.
Paul G.
Yeah.
Next rap Ken.
Yeah.
The whole Kumase.
Oh.
Hey, one out to Swate. Me feel na adate. Intele kofi na atuado. Sata say. Continue the rap.
Oh, no
Magana for enfili vibe. Sata say.
Yeah.
Inti no chede mawayen ene Paul G. Ena ole kofi. Inti se pedo bi ka competition yi mu a message for our phone. If our phone na fe I download the Ghana Got Talent application no Google Play Store no ne Apple Store. Na fe I vote menyipa kro na chede watu ya do competition nim. Inti dem Reverend Okan no judges score votes and na fe coupon no and our more at the county. Inti bo modern say obe vote. Yede aseda Emma Champion Training Institute. Almost so per biogas, biodigester, CCTV installation. Almost brawo no makache. Bene kama edia mau. Afe wo baby wo offer sibi. Ena wo pe entity ewo emunsoa. Ono nso fa ne bra. Ni yebete tena na ye pabne biogas ne biodigester mo. Wo mo adehia market. Omo office ba konso patase. Wo mo number 0244568912. 0244568912. Na QC Massage and Wellness Center. Ono so sebra. Yemfa wonto ho. Wosisi ene ya. We tri bra mo. Wo chepe, wo jonku. Ya de wo to ho physiotherapy. Ye massage ama ho asese wo so. Omo nso patase depot. Junior C Road ho from so now call Ambassadors Church. Ubetumi afra womo 0242 932000 0242932000. Afenso New Eden Herbal Clinic or say yare ben ena how bra wonu makache no mfa habamba ensa wonyare wanyinara omo nso patase depot omo number 0245 350 641 0245 350 641. Yeda yen judges as say Reverend Dr. Isaac Asumedu, Nana Boatsma, Ena Afe, Mustafa Isa Zerva, Alhaj MI, Yeda Wonumu Enso Assessor and Omutne Gemno Mojaje, Yeda Yen Crew Ninase, Yen cameramen, VTR, your directors, Yami Onshamo Samuguso Ebonimapa, Champion Band, Yeda Masasa and Enso Live Band, Momane Chegwo, Kama Sa, Miami Dijumedi Muchame, Midi. Ene Ketre Kwame Bafo na ansa na ye kono Lee ebe ma ye nyom na afe ye de chaya na ase kakra na ye de free ha mekai wo seda sene ye besan asia sabre ya no nsia pepepe na ye hye dwumede no ase medam ase
and do what you way. A proper twist the one copia. We say uncle. And so me pape. And so I bro. When you're shepherd, the bed you see a copy my yo. da mesu mesu bi enya me nkona de yame akwa no ma akoko akosi aba konto de be ye inside you I am a baby who be yo akwa patia